This repo has quietly crossed 47,000 stars on GitHub, and it solves a problem almost everyone has had. You've got a document, a report, a pile of research, and you need it as an actual PowerPoint deck by tomorrow. PPT Master claims it can do that for you, not as a picture of slides, but as a real, editable .pptx file. Let's see how it actually works. Here's the twist. PPT Master isn't an app you download and open. It's a skill, a structured set of instructions and scripts that runs inside a coding agent you already have: Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, GitHub Copilot, whatever supports agent skills. You point it at a document, a PDF, a web page, or just a topic, and the agent reads it, plans a narrative, and builds the deck. The output isn't a screenshot or an image, it's a real .pptx file with native shapes that opens and edits normally in PowerPoint. Three things stand out here. First, the output uses native PowerPoint shapes, data-backed charts, and transitions, so you can still click in and edit every element afterward, unlike a lot of AI slide tools that just hand you flattened images. Second, it can generate audio narration straight from the speaker notes, turning your deck into a self-running, narrated video. Third, it can fill your own .pptx template, so the output actually matches your company's brand, instead of some generic AI look. Here's the flow. You give the agent a source, a document, or just a topic. The PPT Master skill takes over from there, acting like a playbook. It plans a narrative structure, drafts content for each slide, chooses layouts, and calls scripts that assemble a real PowerPoint file, section by section. The key idea is that the skill doesn't replace your AI model, it directs it. You bring the intelligence, Claude, Kimi, whatever you're running, and the skill brings the process. Setup is one command inside your agent, npx skills add sudo 3/ppt master, then a quick pip install for the post-processing scripts. After that, you just talk to it. Tell your agent to turn a report into a deck, and it plans the narrative, drafts each slide, generates any charts it needs, and writes out a finished .pptx file you can open immediately in PowerPoint. No plugin, no export step, no cleanup. So how does it stack up? Gamma is the closest mainstream comparison, slick, hosted, and fast, but it's a web product with its own opinionated style. Microsoft's own Copilot Designer lives right inside PowerPoint, which is convenient if you're already paying for 365. PPT Master's edge is that it's free, open source, and works with whatever template your company already uses, at the cost of needing an agent tool set up first, which isn't zero effort. My rating. This solves a genuinely annoying problem, and it solves it the right way, real native slides instead of pretty pictures, which is why it's sitting at over 47,000 stars. The catch is that it's not a standalone product, you need an agent tool already set up, and your results are only as good as the model driving it. If you already live inside Claude Code or a similar tool, this is close to a must-have. I'd call it an 8 out of 10. That's PPT Master, 47,000 stars and counting, and honestly one of the more useful AI skills I've tried. Link is in the description. Give it a shot on your next deck, star it if it saves you time, and I'll see you in the next one.